Attention all PTE candidates, if you are preparing for the test, it is critical that you are aware of major update. Effective August 7, 2025, the PTE scoring system is undergoing significant changes. These are not minor adjustments, they represent a fundamental shift in how your performance will be assessed. Failing to understand these changes could severely impact your results and jeopardize your target score. This is not intended to alarm you, but to inform you so you can approach your preparation with precision and confidence. In this video, I will explain each change clearly and concisely, ensuring you are fully equipped to succeed in the updated PTE framework. Let us begin. Hey friends, my name is Sridhar Santhanam. I help students and immigrants crack the PTE test on their first attempt with smart strategies, not stress. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button because I bring you the latest updates that can make or break your score. Describe image. Now graded out of 6 instead of a 5. Earlier, describe image was graded out of 5 points for content. Now it's out of 6. That may sound like a small change, but it's not. That's a 20% increase in expectation. To get a perfect 6, your speech must paint a crystal clear picture, as if you are explaining it to a blind person. Just saying this image shows a line graph is not enough. You must describe the shape, the trends, comparisons, and even possible reasons. Use linking words. In contrast, the highest point, a steady decline, show depth. Bad example would be this bar graph shows different countries and their smartphone usage. Good example, the bar chart illustrates smartphone usage across 5 countries with the USA leading at 90% while India lags behind at just 60%, showing a significant digital gap. Bottom line, clear, detailed, structured description is equal to high score. Retail lecture is now also scored out of 6 for content. What does that mean? It means random keywords won't help anymore. Old strategy, listen and catch 6 to 7 words, dump them in 40 seconds. Now new strategy, understand, summarize, speak naturally with structure. If you understood